Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is the one door fridge. Customer has called me, it's not cooling. So if you repair the one door fridge, it's very simple. I show I'll show you the how to fix the problem. This is the one of the common problem of the one door. Remove this tray, remove this cover. Actually there is relay. This relay always spoil. This is the common of the problem, relay or overload. So I'll remove the relay, then it will be back. See, it's making noisy. If you shake and it's making noisy, so it's bad. And this is the new relay. So I'll change the relay. Then it will be back. So after I have removed the Alhamdulillah, it's running. Compressor is running, and condenser also become hot. So now it's cooling. Repairs, if you repair the one door, at first you check the evaporator. This evaporator, most of time customer use knife, so you check properly if there is leak or not. So alhamdulillah drivers, after 5 minutes I've checked, see it's making ice, it's freezing. So alhamdulillah it has done. So it was just simple problem only. So it was just the relay problem. Thank you.